In math, we have learned several ways to add two-digit numbers. Now, we have learned how to decompose numbers by base 10. The way we do this is we have two numbers in our addition sentence. We are going to decompose both of these numbers by base 10. For 34, we have 30 and we have 4. For 25, we have 20 and we have 5. We always work with the ones first. So we're going to take these two numbers and we are going to add them. We are then going to take the two tens and we are going to add those. These are called our partial sums. They're part of the total, but they're not our whole total. So we're going to take these two and we are going to add them to get our final answer. Therefore, 34 plus 25 is 59.